Today on Taste Test, we are trying all of the sauces from Chick-fil-A. Are you a Chick-fil-A person?
I like the waffle fries. I always get the grilled chicken sandwich, and I get a lot of, I get a lot of stuff for it. But I don't know, I just don't like fried chicken sandwiches, so.
I'm obsessed with sauce. Like, sauce is my favorite thing in any dish. Like, if the
Right.
sauce is on fire, then like the whole dish is on fire.
Just generally speaking, sauce-wise, would you prefer a poured sauce or a dippable sauce?
If we're talking about chicken nuggets and fries, I need to dip them.
Yes.
Okay, great. I'm glad we're on the
Agreed.
same level here. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to Food Network by clicking the button down here.
Fries, nuggets, tenders.
Tenders.
Which one do I want?
I think I'm gonna prefer this over you. I think this is closer to ranch than you might prefer.
To me, ranch feels like it should go with chicken as opposed to a French fry.
A dip.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay.
I like it.
That's amazing.
I like it.
It's actively oniony, which I really like.
This is not like a typical thick ranch sauce, right? It's like, it's a little thinner, it's a little lighter.
It's definitely like watery.
It is more watered down. I tend to be like a heavier kind of ranch person. Like I like it to be really thick and creamy.
Okay, well, I need a little more of a taste so I can
I'll have one
speak
more
to the
bite.
taste a little bit. It's really bright,
It is.
which for like a fried thing is a nice balance.
That ranch is not really doing it for me. Sorry, Chick-fil-A. But your chicken is always lit. Oh.
Ooh, honey mustard!
Honey mustard sauce.
This is one of my favorite sauces of all time. One of my favorite things in the world is nuggets with honey mustard.
I'm expecting great things from this.
It's translucent-y.
Okay, this is super thick.
It is kind of gooey.
It's very strong.
Oh yeah, that is good.
I like McDonald's better.
Really?
This one tastes super artificial to me.
It's
You
thick,
like it, I love it.
it's creamy, tastes very artificial, and I'm here for
It
it.
is.
I love it.
It does taste very artificial, but it's actually like, I like that.
Not actively sweet to me.
I don't know, just this sauce for me falls flat. I usually love honey mustard, but I'm not like really loving it.
If you double dipped right now, I wouldn't care.
I have never really seen buffalo sauce like not already on the chicken wing.
Earlier we were talking about sauce on a thing versus
Yes,
dipping.
yes.
With buffalo,
That has to be on it already.
that might be
for
the
me.
exception. I would prefer for it to be coated.
Yes.
And I keep going for the nuggets.
I like the tenders better.
Ooh,
This is strong.
that's zesty.
This is really good.
It's not as spicy as it smells.
But it does have a good spice.
It's okay.
Yeah,
It's a little bit watery for me.
Very loose, very watery.
Like, I feel like we should take this, pour it over the nuggets, and toss them in it. I'm appreciating the diversity in sauce. Like, not one sauce has been like, oh, this tastes just like that one.
Right.
They're all pretty different.
I feel like there's a sauce for everybody.
Okay. It's very sweet, but it has like an underlying real depth of flavor.
It's too sweet.
I love it.
What I would naturally do is I would mix this barbecue sauce with the zesty buffalo.
Just a little spice.
Give me some spice, also
Yeah.
some sweet.
This is the kind of barbecue sauce that I like. Like, I like a sweet, sticky, thick barbecue sauce.
Right.
I'm just gonna point this out to you really carefully. I dipped with this side,
Okay.
and I'm gonna go back in, but this side has yet to be dipped.
I've been doing that the whole time. I didn't.
Because I need more of this. I really like that. It's very sweet. Ooh, sweet and spicy sriracha. I regret saying it
Okay.
like that.
Sriracha.
Maybe this will be like what you were envisioning for the last one.
It's probably gonna taste like sweet and sour sauce.
Sweet and spicy sriracha.
This is like General Tso's chicken.
Yes!
Like I want to have egg rolls with this,
Yeah.
not necessarily like fries. I appreciate that Chick-fil-A has like a wide range with their sauces. Like it's not for me for this type of food, but like if someone really wanted it, I could see why they have it on their menu, you know?
That's good.
Ooh.
I think it's my favorite. This is exactly my favorite. You're right. It's
That's unique.
literally the combination of the things that I love the most, which is like the spice and the sweet. This is perfect.
Is Polynesian a type of sauce that exists generally?
I mean, I've never heard specifically a sauce referred to as Polynesian, but when I
Okay.
think of a Polynesian sauce on a meat, I expect it to be sweet.
Dip. Look at that. It looks like honey.
Whoa.
Oh, interesting.
It doesn't
You have to really get in there.
stick onto the thing. I like this.
That's great.
So this tastes like honey mustard.
I'm confused.
This is honey mustard.
I don't know how to describe it.
No. This is honey mustard.
It's like honey mustard. It's more honey mustard than the honey mustard.
Yeah, it kind of is.
Wait, I want more.
It's really yummy. From looking at it, I'm gonna guess it tastes like nacho cheese.
I don't think I've ever had this sauce. I don't know what it is, but out of first glance, I'm gonna say it is a combo of like ketchup, mustard, mayo situation.
It's a very bright, bold color.
Ooh.
Good.
I like it.
Almost kind
God.
of mild.
Very mild.
It's creamy, it's tangy, it's sweet.
It's a creamy ketchup.
Yeah, like I love this on the grilled chicken sandwich. It's really good.
I mean, I'm reaching for more things to dip in it, so I think that tells you.
Yeah.
Wait, I need to have just one more piece.
We gonna dump. Give it 5 stars. How was that, Jordan?
I thought that was really fun.
That was a lot of fun.
Now I feel like I've really been to Chick-fil-A. Even though I've never
Yes.
walked in the store or the restaurant, I feel like I've been there.
Okay, we're gonna need to change that though. You're
I
gonna have to
know.
go to Chick-fil-A just not on a Sunday because you wouldn't get in on a Sunday.
No.
After trying 7 sauces, I still think ketchup and fries it can't be beat. You know, like you can mix all the stuff you want, but nothing's gonna taste better than ketchup and fries.
Maggie, you do you. I support you.
I will say there's a sauce for everybody at Chick-fil-A.
Yes.
There's a sauce for you if you're into the sweet, if you're into like the vinegary kind of based stuff, if you're into the spicy. My favorite by far
Yeah, which one was
was
your
the
favorite?
sriracha.
Okay, mine was the Chick-fil-A sauce for sure.
We told you our favorite sauces, but what are your favorite Chick-fil-A sauces? Let us know in the comment box, and we'll see you next time on Taste Test. Peace.